As you can see, it's an absolutely action-packed day here at RSA for day one of the conference floor.
Partners are at the epicenter of everything that we're doing here at RSAC. Last night, we were thrilled to host our Armis VIP social hour with our valued customers and partners. It was great for us to be able to spend time with our FireMon friends at their kickoff party alongside Illumio and Fortinet.
I kicked off the morning with the first showing of our new season for our Armis Bad Actors podcast, and we look forward to sharing those episodes over the next couple of weeks. Our Armis stand is a perfect opportunity to come and meet our team, see demos in real action, and to hear some of our speakers as we showcase presentations throughout the day.
I'm so pumped to be here on the show floor with our awesome BDRs. As you can see, it's a full house. You don't want to miss out.
And of course, my favorite event of RSA, our Armis Unplugged Party, was off the chart. We loved it.